Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Fidelity Go Review My Usage Experience. Fidelity Go Review My Usage Experience offers automated investment management for beginners and those who prefer a hands-off approach to investing. Its main purpose is to help users grow their savings with minimal effort. Key features include automated portfolio diversification, low fees, and a simple, user-friendly interface. Their website provides details on specific investment strategies and fee structures. Fidelity Go positions itself as an accessible and affordable investment platform, emphasizing ease of use and transparency. They highlight no account minimums and low expense ratios, making it competitive with other robo-advisors. The technology uses algorithms to build and manage diversified portfolios based on the user's risk tolerance and financial goals. Availability is straightforward, you simply need to create an account online. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Fidelity Go. Getting started was incredibly easy. The onboarding process was straightforward, requiring only basic personal and financial information. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard clearly displays my portfolio performance, allocation, and contributions. I particularly enjoyed the ability to easily adjust my risk tolerance with a simple slider. Performance has been consistent with what was projected, and I've been pleased with the steady growth of my investment. I had a quick question about tax implications, and their support responded promptly via email, providing a clear and helpful explanation. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. The clear visualization of my portfolio's performance made tracking my progress simple. One minor drawback was the limited options for customization beyond risk tolerance. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Fidelity Go. It's a great option for someone like me who wants to invest without the hassle of constant monitoring and research. That's my overview of Fidelity Go Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.